As informed, let's continue implementing the zero investment innovative idea of learning with empty wrappers today to guide our students in revising the concept of determining the sum and difference of volumes. For this, we will be engaging our students in another interesting hands-on activity and follow it up with an inquiry-based approach. So, let's begin by informing the students that they will now be doing a new activity to learn to add and subtract volumes. Inform the students that they will be working with their partner for this activity. Ask the students to observe their partner's empty wrapper and to note down the volumes of both theirs as well as their partner's empty wrappers in their notebooks. Give the students some time to note it down. We will then ask the students some leading questions to make them reflect on the activity. These questions will aid in inculcating the students' problem-solving skills. Begin by asking, what is the sum of the volumes that you have noted down? The students will respond accordingly after adding the volumes. Guide the students in determining the sum and difference wherever required. For example, if a pair of students mention the volumes they have noted down as 750 milliliters and 500 milliliters respectively, then the sum of the volumes will be 1250 milliliters. So, inform the students that this sum can also be mentioned as 1 liter and 250 milliliters, as 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Now ask each pair of students to compare their wrappers and find out which one can contain more volume. Allow the students to respond. Continue to ask the students, how much more quantity can the bigger wrapper contain in comparison to the smaller one? The students will respond accordingly after subtracting the volumes. If we consider our example, the difference would be 250 milliliters. We will then conclude by informing the students that in this way we can deal with the various situations related to the volume of liquids in real life. And with that, we have come to the end of our lesson. By implementing the innovative idea of learning with empty wrappers, the students will now be able to identify the standard units of measuring the volume of any liquid, comprehend the volume obtained through the addition or subtraction of volumes, represent collected information in tables and draw inferences from them, respond to simple guidelines or announcements made in English in the classroom or at school, respond verbally or in writing to questions based on daily life experiences in English, and briefly describe personal experiences or about events and places in English, either orally or in writing. Tune into our upcoming videos for more innovative teaching ideas like this. Until then, goodbye.